वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। गुरवे सर्वलोकानां विषजे भवरोगिणां निधये सर्वविद्यानां दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। श्रुतिस्मृतिपुराणानाम् आलयं करुणालयं नमामि भगवत्पादं शङ्करं लोकशङ्करम्। सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तमा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। ॐ पार्थाय प्रतिबोधितां भगवता नारायणेन स्वयं व्यासेन ग्रथितां पुराणमुनिना मध्ये महाभारतम् अद्वैतामृतवर्षिणीं भगवतीम् अष्टादशाध्यायिनीम् अम्ब त्वामनुसन्दधामि भगवद्गीते भवद्वेषिणीम्। नमोऽस्तु ते व्यासविशालबुद्धे फुल्लारविन्दायतपत्रनेत्र येन त्वया भारततैलपूर्णः प्रज्वालितो ज्ञानमयः प्रदीपः। प्रपन्नपारिजाताय स्तोत्रवेत्रैकपाणये ज्ञानमुद्राय कृष्णाय गीतामृतदुहे नमः। सर्वोपनिषदो गावः दुग्धा गोपालनन्दनः पार्थो वत्सः सुधीर्भोक्ता दुग्धं गीतामृतं महत्। वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुम्। भीष्मद्रोणतटा जयद्रथजला गान्धारनीलोत्पला शल्यग्राहवती कृपेण वहनी कर्णेन वेलाकुला। अश्वत्थामविकर्णघोरमकरा दुर्योधनावर्तिनी सोत्तीर्णा खलु पाण्डवैरननदीकैवर्तकः केशवः पाराशर्यवचः सरोजममलम् गीतार्तगन्धोत्कटम् नानाख्यानककेसरम् हरिकथा सम्बोधनाबोधितम् लोके सज्जनषट्पदैरहरः पेपीयमानं मुदा भूयाद्भारतपङ्कजं कलिमलप्रध्वंसि न श्रेयसे मूकं करोति वाचालं पङ्गुं लङ्घयते गिरिं यत्कृपात्तमहं वन्दे परमानन्दमाधवम् यं ब्रह्मा वरुणेन्द्ररुद्रमरुतः स्तुन्वन्ति दिव्यैस्तवैः वेदैः साङ्गपदक्रमोपनिषदैः गायन्ति यं सामगाः ध्यानावस्थिततद्गतेन मनसा पश्यन्ति यं योगिनः यस्यान्तं न विदुःसुरासुरगणाः देवाय तस्मै नमः। नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयमुदीरयेत्। Shloka number 41. You can chant. व्यवसायात्मिका बुद्धिः
व्यवसायात्मिका
आत्मिका बुद्धिः
एकेह कुरु नन्दन
एकेह
कुरु नन्दन
बहुशाखा ह्यनन्ताश्च
बहुशाखाह्यनन्ताश्च
बुद्धयो व्यवसायिनाम्
बुद्धयो व्यवसायिनाम्
यामिमां पुष्पितां वाचम्
यामिमां पुष्पितां वाचम्
वदन्त्यविपश्चितः
प्रवदन्त्यविपश्चितः
वेदवादरताः पार्थ
वेदवादरताः पार्थ
यदस्तीति वादिनः
नान्यदस्तीति वादिनः
कामात्मानस्वर्गपराः
कामात्मानस्वर्गपराः
जन्मकर्मफलप्रदाम्
जन्मकर्मफलप्रदाम्
क्रियाविशेषबहुलाम्
क्रियाविशेषबहुलाम्
भोगैश्वर्यगतिं प्रति
भोगैश्वर्यगतिं प्रति
In the shloka number 41, important shloka, the shloka number 41 talked about the person, the people having vyavasayatmika buddhihi and avyavasayatmika buddhihi. The description of the people who has this buddhi is only the first part of the The first line of the shloka, 41. Vyavasayatmika buddhihi eka iha asmin mokshamarge he kurunandana. Vyavasayinam buddhihi. Vyavasayinam pramana janita viveka buddhi sahitanam eka buddhihi. What about avyavasayinam? Pramana janita viveka buddhi rahitanam avyavasayinam anekaha buddhayaha. Buddhayaha bagushakaha. Anantaha. The second line of the 41st shloka onwards, it talks about the people who don't have this buddhi. Eka buddhihi, vyavasayatmika buddhihi. What is their lakshanam? Buddhi lakshanam, buddhi visheshanam. Those are talked about in the shloka number 42, 43, as well as in the next shloka. These two shlokas combining we did, and it is not complete. It is completed only by the next shloka. So this people who don't have this nishchayatmika buddhihi, yesham vyavasayatmika buddhihi nasti, tesham, te kim vadanti. First, their description is given. Vyavasayatmika buddhihi, they are described by Bhagavan Krishna using a lot of adjectives. Who are they? They are kamatmanaha, swargaparaha, veda vadarataha, avipaschitaha, nanirastiti vadinaha. All these are the people who don't have this vyavasayatmika buddhihi, avyavasayinam. Te parvadanti. They talk. Vacham, words. Pushpitam vacham. Imam pushpitam vacham. These pushpitam vacham, flowery words. Yam pushpitam vacham te vadanti. Janma karma palapradam. Bhogeshwaryam prati kriya vishesha bhagulam. Yam pushpitam vacham pravadanti. They who talk about the janma and the karma pala. Janma karma pala pradam, the giver of the janma, better janma, and the giver of the palam of the karma. And also with regard to bhoga, enjoyment, and aishwarya, the power, kriya vishesha bhagulam, many kriya vishesha, many varieties of kriya, karma, many varieties of karma, vadanti, pravadanti, vedavadartaha, nanidasti iti vadinaha, kamatmanaha, swargaparaha, avipaschitaha. With regard to that, yam pushpitam vacham parvadanti, they, with regard to that, the words, pushpitam vacham, those words which they use, those flowery words which they speak, by that what happens? That is going to be said in the 44th shloka. Now we will see this shloka further. Let us understand the words of the shloka. Vedavadarataha. Vedavadarataha denotes the person. Avyavasayinam. अव्यवसायिनां बुद्धिः कथं भवति? Their buddhi is Vedavadarataha. Their buddhi are they are the people who are engaged, who dwell in the statements of the Veda, not Vedanta. Veda means Veda Purva. Veda Purva Vakyeshu. Vada means Vakya, Vakyani. Uchyante iti Vadaha. Vakyani, Vakyani ityartaha. Vedasya Vadaha. Veda Purva Vakyeshu Rataha. They revel on the words of the Veda Purva. Because the Veda Purva, they talk about various karma rituals, doing which the person enjoys better pleasures, gets better sense organs, better pleasures, and the desires, whatever desires one have, it can be fulfilled. Dharma, artha, kama, moksha, icha. Dharma can be gained, punyam can be gained, which can be capitalized in Surgaloka. So, therefore, they dwell in the words of the Veda Purva. Therefore, Rataha. Karma, which are prescribed by the Veda, Tatpala Sadhana Prakashakeshu, Arthavadadi Vedavakyeshu, Rataha, Nirastaha. Nirastaha, they completely dwell in those words. They are Vedavada Rataha. Vedavada Rataha. For them, the Tatparya is only Veda Purva. Veda Purva Tatparya Vantaha Vedavada Rataha. Therefore, only they say Anyat Nasti iti. Na Anyat. Other than this is not there. Na Anyat Asti iti Vadinaha. Na Anyat Asti iti Vadinaha. Ataha eva, because they dwell in the words of the Veda Purva. For them, the Shastra is only one. There is no Vedanta, in fact. So, therefore, Ataha eva na anyat asti iti vadinaha. Other than this, the palam of the Veda is not there for them. Karma tat palebhyaha sadhana sadhyebhyaha anyat, other than the karma and the karma pala. Karma and its karma pala. The tatparyam is only with regard to karma and karma pala. For them, the tatparyam of Vedas, according to them, it's only karma and karma pala. Karma is a sadhana, and the sadhya is karma pala, which is in the form of dharmartha kama, moksha, not moksha, dharmartha kama, icha. But the moksha is not there. This three purusha alone for them, it is the tatparyam. Therefore, Ishvaraha moksha va iti kinchit nasti. Kinchit nasti iti vaktaraha vadanashilaha vedavada rataha nanyadasti iti vadinaha. Na anyata asti iti vadinaha. Vadanashilaha. They are shilaha. They have this habit. They have this habit, or they are of this nature of this argument. Tatparyam of the Veda is only in karma and karma pala. Only in sadhana sadhya. The sadhana is karma and sadhya is karma pala. So, in that only they have their focus, they have their commitment. Therefore, Ishvara or moksha, not there for them. Therefore, we can classify we can classify them as vipaschitaha or avipaschitaha. What are they? Are they intelligent people or unintelligent? They are after sukham, they are after the karma pala, which are only short term benefit. It is going to be the continuous search. The sukham is going to be it's going to be a continuous search for them. So it is not a purushartha. And even the sukham itself cannot be ultimate, because there are different varieties of sukham and there are degrees of sukham. So what is ultimate with regard to the experience of the sukha, various types of sukha? So that cannot be purushartha at all. Sukham or security or comfort, happiness, that cannot be the real purushartha. So therefore, that which doesn't have the status of being the real purushartha, over which they are attracted, they are committed. So therefore, they are avipaschitaha, non-discriminative people. They don't have viveka. The avipaschitaha chit dhatu with the kvip pratyaya. So visheshena prakrishtataya chetati iti vipaschit. Vipaschit means prakrishtataya chetati iti vipaschit. They have the chit, the vision, therefore chetati, they do karma, they do action. They conduct themselves. Karma means not literally the Vedic karma. They conduct themselves in keeping with the vision. But avipaschit, they conduct themselves without having this vision. They don't have the ability to see far. That foresight is not there. They are called avipaschit. So avipaschitaha, Bhagavachanam, avipaschitaha. Therefore only, because na anyat asti iti vadinaha, therefore only they are avipaschitaha. Avipaschitaha vedanam upakrama upasamharadeshu tatparya anabhignaha. They don't have this knowledge, anabhignaha. They are ignorant or don't have this knowledge of the tatparyam of the Veda. Vedanam upakrama and upasamhara. Upakrama is the starting point, upakrama is conclusion. Upakrama upasamhara. Vedanam upakrama upasamharadishu tatparya. They don't have the understanding of the tatparyam of the Veda. Therefore only Bhagirmukaha. Therefore only they say Bhagushakaha, Anantaha. For them, the goals are many. Bhagushakaha, Anantaha iti. Who are they? They are Mimamsakaha, Karmataha. They committed to karma. Therefore only they speak very nice flowery words. Pushpitam vacham, Mallika latavat vacham. Mallika latavat vacham, the words they speak. And the words doesn't have the real phalam. Phalashunyaihi pushpaihi ranjayanti. They decorate the statements with nice flowery words. Nicely decorate the sentences with these flowery words. So therefore, Janma karma pala pradam ityadina janma karma pala pradam bhogeshwaryam prati kriya vishesha bhogulam ityadina vakshamanam yam vacham, those words like what? Agnimile purohitam yajnasya. Those words, Ishetvorjetva vayavasto vagyavastadevo vasavita Brahma sandattam tanme jinvitam Ityadi vakya rupam pravadanti. They speak such nice flowery words. They are committed to karma kanda. Karma kandam eva prashastyena vadanti. They talk only about the karma kanda, not about the upasana kanda. Natu upasana kandam. When they don't talk about upasana kandam, how to talk about brahma kandam? Not possible. Jnana kandam is not there for them. So these are the people. These are the people who have the commitment to karma kanda, and for them the tatparyam of Veda is only in karma and karma pala. So therefore they talk only about that using nice flowery words. Now we will read the Bhashyam to the shloka number 42. Yamiti
यामिति
Yamimam Vakshimanam Pushpitam
यामिमां
Yamimam
वक्ष्यमाणां
Bhaksyamanam
पुष्पिताम्
Pushpita Vriksha Iva Shobhamanam Shruyamana Ramaniyam
Pushpita Vriksha
पुष्पितवृक्ष
Iva
इव
Shobhamanam
शोभमानां
Ramaniyam
श्रूयमाणं रमणीयाम्
Vacham
Vacham
वाचं
Vakyalakshanam
Vakyalakshanam
Vadanti
Pravadanti
Pravadanti Prakarshena Vadanti Yam Imam, this which Vakshamana, which is going to be stated, Vakshamana Dharma Karma Pala Pradhan Bhogeshwarim Pati Kriya Vishesha Bhagalam, which is what Vakshamana. So this which the Vakshamana Vacham, the statements, Pushpitam Vacham, Pushpita Vriksha Iva Shobhamanam, like the tree which is Pushpita Vriksha Iva Shobhamanam, the bloomed, the blossomed tree, which looks beautiful, like that. There are statements, the Vakyas, Vakya Lakshanam, Vacham, Pravadanti. They speak, so that it is Shruyamana Ramaniyam. It is Ramaniya, it is pleasant. Shruyamanam Ramaniyam Yasyaha Sa, referring to the words which are very pleasant to hear. They speak nice flowery words which are pleasant to hear. The words are like the flowers of the tree, like the flowered tree, which looks beautiful. So too the words are flowery, very nice words. Who speak? Who are those people? Ke Avipashchitaha
Avipaschitaha
Alpamedasaha
Alpamedasaha
Vivekinaha
Avivekinaha
Ityartaha.
Ityarthaha
Avipashchitaha, which is equal to Alpa Medasaha. Alpa Medas Sakaranta Shabda. Alpa Medasaha Prathama Vibhakti Bhagavachanam. Where Medhas Sakaranta Shabda. Medaha Medaso Medasaha. Alpaha Medaha Yesham Te Alpa Medasaha. Bhagavrigi Samasa. Avivekinaha. They don't have Viveka. With regard to the Purushartha, they don't have Viveka. They don't distinctly understand Nitya and Anitya Vastu. Nitya Vastu Atma, Anitya Vastu Anatma. They are committed to Karma and Karmapala. Are they Nitya or Anitya? Are they Atma or Anatma? Anatma. So their commitment is only with regard to Anatma, gaining of Anatma. Anatma is other than you, that cannot give you moksha, that cannot make you free. In fact, it makes you more and more, it makes more and more a samsari, puts you in samsara. So therefore, avivekinaha, vivekaha, asya asti iti viveki, vivekin, na viveki, na vivekaha nasti, avivekinaha, referring to the people. Na vivekaha asya asti iti na avivekinaha. Avivekinaha, vivekaha asya na asti. So avipaschitaha, avivekinaha pravadanti. Vedavadarataha
Vedavadarataha
bahvayartavada palasadana prakashakeshu
Bhakvayartavada
Bhakvayartavada
Palasadana
palasadana
Prakashakeshu
prakashakeshu
vedavakyeshu
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 rataha.
Rataha
Rataha.
Vada means vakya, sentences. The sentences are those which are spoken. Uchyante iti vadaha, the sentences. Vedanam ye vadaha, vedavadaha te, teshu vedavakyeshu rataha, vedavakyeshu rataha, vedavada rataha. So they are engrossed. They are engrossed in these sentences of the Veda. They are captivated, fascinated by the sentences of the Veda. Like the Veda says, if you do this Vama, you get a lot of punyam. So a lot of such Vamas, karma are prescribed. So they get fascinated by the statements. So Veda Vakyeshu, Bhakvayartavada Palasadana Prakashakeshu. Prakasha is the revealer. Bhakvayartavada Palasadana Prakashakeshu. Palasadana. Prakasha, revealer. Revealer of sadhana. Revealer of sadhana. Many sadhana. Revealer of the words. Vada, the words of the Veda, which reveal sadhana, the means and the palam, the karma and the sadhana, the result of karma pala, karma which is a sadhana, and the karma pala. So various means and various ends they reveal. The revealers of various means and various ends. That's what Bhakvayartha Vada Palasadana. Vada meaning sentences. Bhakvayartha, many pala and many sadhana. So various sadhana, various means and various ends. So the revealers of many karma and many karma pala, corresponding respective many karma pala. Prakashakeshu, Vedavakyeshu, Rataha. Even the Veda, in the Veda you will have words like Arthavada Vakyas will be there. Arthavada is only in exaggeration. It's only the figurative presentation of certain things by the Veda, over which they have commitment. They take it literally. So that words Arthavada Vakyas have to be understood. Which are Arthavada Vakyas, which are Pramana Vakyas. When Veda says Sargalokaha Amrtatvam Bhajante. So Amrtatvam Bhajante means, what is Amrtatvam? It cannot be Nitya Amrtatvam. It must be an Apekshika Amrtatvam. Amrtatvam Veda says, but the word has to be interpreted. It is not Arthavada, but there we have to apply our Buddhi, Mimamsa, and understand. But there are some Arthavada statements also in the Veda. So, for which, towards which they have commitment, they take it literally. What are presented figuratively that are taken to be literally by them. So, Teshu Rataha. Therefore, He Partha,
हे
हे
पार्थ
पार्थ
Na Anyat
न
न
अन्यत्
अन्यत्
Swarga
स्वर्ग
स्वर्गप्राप्स्यादि
प्राप्स्यादि
The letters are missing. Prapsyadi. Swarga Prapsyadi Phala Sadhanebhyaha.
स्वर्ग
स्वर्गप्राप्स्यादि
प्राप्स्यादि
फलसाधनेभ्यः
फलसाधनेभ्यः
Karmabhyaha
कर्मभ्यः
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 Asti iti evam.
अस्ति
अस्ति
इति
इति
इत्येवम्
एवम्
Vadinaha Vadanashilaha.
वादिनः
वादिनः
वदनशीलाः
वदनशीलाः
that is पश्चादि
Hmm?
पश्चादि स्वर्ग पश्चादि
Swarga, what is Swarga? Swarga, no.
we are
Prapsyadi.
missing you to
No, Prapsyadi.
oh is it okay
Swarga Prapsyadi. Prapsya, to be gained. Swarga Prapsyadi. So here, iti is 2 times is there. One is in the mantra itself. In the shloka itself, na anyata asti iti. And Bhashyakara quotes that iti evam. So 2 times iti. He Partha. Swarga Praptyadi. Sorry, I said Prapsyadi. Praptyadi. Swarga Prapti Adi. Not Prapsyadi. Praptyadi. Okay. Swarga Praptyadi. Swarga Prapti Adi. Swarga Praptyadi. Not Prapsyadi. By mistake I said. Okay. Swarga Prapti. Swarga Prapti. Anyat Swarga. Na Anyat. Swarga Praptyadi Pala Sadhanebhyaha Karmabhyaha Anyat Nasti. Swarga Prapti is gaining the Swarga, etc. Gaining the Swarga and gaining the other benefits, other phalam, limited phalam. Swarga Praptyadi. Swarga is highest. And other phalam. Swarga Praptyadi phala and the means for that. Swarga phala praptyadi phala sadhanebhyaha means is karma. Therefore karmabhyaha. So the means for the result in the form of gaining the Swarga Loka, etc. Swarga Loka, etc. How? By karma, through karma, karmabhyaha. So the means for the result is the karma. So other than this karma, karmabhyaha panchami vibhakti. Other than this karma, anyat nasti. Na anyat asti iti evam vadinaha vadanashilaha. Whose nature is who has a nature to argue like this, to talk like this. Vadanashilaha. Who has a nature to declare, to present like this. That is karmabhyaha anyata nasti. Karma and karma palebhyaha swarga praptyadi karma palebhyaha sadhanebhyaha karmabhyaha anyata nasti iti vadinaha vadanashilaha. They have this habit, the conduct, the behavior to declare like this. So they continuously, they argue there is nothing else other than the karma. So therefore karmataha, a commitment towards karma. Then the next shloka, kamat manaha swarga paraha. The shloka we have read. So kamat manaha Swargaparaha. 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 Swarga eva paraha. Niratishayah. Purushartah iti Swargaparaha. Swargaparaha means they have, for them, Swarga is the Paraha, ultimate. There is nothing other than Swarga. It is the Purushartha. It is the ultimate Purushartha for them. So, te Swarga Paraha. Swarga eva Paraha iti, Paraha Purushartha iti, Nishchayaha Yesham te Swarga Paraha. Therefore only, Tataha eva Bhogeshwaryam Prati. Bhogeshwaryam Prati. Therefore only they have this commitment towards gaining of Bhoga and Aishwarya. Bhogeshwaryam Prati. Bhoga means Bunjyate. Bunjyante iti Bhogaha. That which are enjoyed. Karmani, Vitpatti. Bunjyante iti Bhogaha. Bunjyante iti Bhogaha. So therefore, Bhogaha, the enjoyments, and the Aishwarya, Bhoga, Aishwarya. Aishwarya is Ishwaratvam, Swamitvam, power. Ishvara is not the Ishvara of the Vedanta, Ishvara is the power. So Aishwarya is power. So, Tasya Gatihi Praptihi Tam Prati Eva Tesham Kamaha Asti. So, in their buddhi, these things are only that Bhoga and Aishwarya. Buddho Yeshante Kamat Manaha. Vishaya Bhoga Lampataha. Kaminaha Ityartaha. Simple. Kaminaha. Kamaha Asya Asti. Kaminaha. They are all desire. They have the people who have desires. Desires towards the enjoyment of Bhoga and Aishwarya. Therefore only they say Kriya Vishesha Bagulam Agnistomadi Karma Pala Vishesha Hetavaha Bagulaha Bhagavaha Yaya Pratipadyante Sa Kriya Vishesha Bagula Tam Tataha Eva Janma Karma Palapradam. So therefore only they say there are many Kriyas, Kriya Vishesha Bagulam, and they are the producers of Janma and better Janma and Karmapala Pradam. Janma Padena Mrityu Jara Roghaha Tad Dukkhani Cha Lakshyanti. Janma Karma Pala Pradam means by Janma we have to understand Mrityu Jara Rogha, all those things, Dukkha. So that also to be understood. So Janma Karma Pala Pradam Janmadayaha Eva Pratipadika Karmanam Palani Janma Karma Palani Anushtatrubhyaha Pradadhati Janma Karma Palaprada. The Kriya which gives Janma Karma Palani Pradadhati. What gives Kriya? Karma. So Janma Karma Palam Prakarshena Dadati. Janma Karma Palapradam. Nana Yonishu Janmani Karma Palani Sukadini Cha Saprakashita Karma Katrabhyam Ichati Itiva Tam Janma Karma Palapradam Vacham Pravadanti Iti Purvena Anvayaha. So they talk about this Janma Karma Palapradam. The Janma, the karma which can lead to giving to the result of karma in the form of the next Janma. Next Janma Pradadati, Palaprada, Pakarshena Dadati. So these people who are Kamat Manaha, whose nature, Kamaha Atmaha, Kamaha Atma. Atma is not Sachidananda Atma. Atma is the mind. Kamaha Atma Yeshamte Kamatmanaha. Kamaha Atma. Their mind, their mind, their mental disposition is only kama. Their nature is, it means the nature. The people whose nature is kama, whose nature is to desire, whose nature is desire. They are kamatmanaha. It means that desiring, the desires has become their nature. So that desire occupies the first place in their mind. Therefore, kamatmanaha. Then they are swarga paraha, committed to swarga. For swarga is the highest goal. Therefore, they say nice words they say nice words in the form of saying that Janma Karma Palapradam Kriya Vishesha Bhagulam Bhogeshwaryam Prati Iti. And we have to connect Vacham Pravadanti of the previous shloka here. So, with regard to Bhogeshwaryam Prati Kriya Vishesha Bhagulam Janma Karma Palapradam Pushpitam Vacham Pravadanti. So, with regard to the attainment of Bhoga and Aishwarya, so there, and the Kriya Vishesha Bhagulam Kriya, many Kriyas, many actions, which can give Janma Karma Pala Pradam, better Janma, which is the Karma Pala, better Janma in the next Janma, and next Janma or next afterlife Sukham, which the Karma can give. So, those days speak, they tell, Pushpitam Vacham. The speech is flowery. The speech is, the flowery speech can take one to the Bhogeshwaryam Prati, can lead one to the gaining of pleasure and power. Bhogeshwaryam Prati. Now we will read the Bhashya. Kamatmanaha iti.
Kamatmanaha iti.
Kamasvabhaha kamaparaha ityartaha.
कामस्वभावः कामपराः इत्यर्थः
Kamaha kamaha kamasvabhavaha kamaha atmanaha yashamte. That whose nature is desire. It means they have commitment to the fulfillment of desire. Kama subhavaha, the nature. The nature is kama. And paraha, they are committed. They are committed to. They are committed to the desire. The nature or the disposition is characterized by this kama, and they are committed to kama paraha. Kama means desire, or it could be the means to which they are committed to fulfill the desire. So kama could be literally desire, or it could be the karma sadhana, which takes the person to the gaining of the desire. So it can be the kama means the desire. Kama can also mean kamyate iti kamaha. Kamyate iti kamaha. So therefore only they are engaged in the means. Kamyate anena iti kamaha. So they are engaged in the means to satisfy the desires. Therefore we cannot talk about the giving up of karma to them. It is not there in the dictionary at all. So kamat manaha. Therefore only swarga paraha. Swargaparaha.
स्वर्गपराः
Swargaha paraha purushartaha yesham te swargaparaha.
स्वर्गः परः पुरुषार्थः येषां ते स्वर्गपराः
Swargapradhanaha.
स्वर्गप्रधानाः
Swarga eva pradhanaha yesham te. Swargaparaha. Pradhana is which is important, which is mukhyam, their goal. Purushartha. So Swargapara means the people, referring to people who are committed to heaven, Swarga. That is a Purushartha. That is a goal for them. So Swargaparaha refer to the people for whom the Swarga is the highest goal. Swarga Pradanaha, Swarga is the main thing for them. Then continuing the next line. Janma karma palapradham.
Janma karma phala pradam.
Karmanaha palam karma palam.
Karmanaha phalam karma palam.
Janma yeva karma palam janma karma palam.
Janma yeva karma
Karma
janma
phalam
karma
janma karma palam.
Tat pradadhati iti janma karma palaprada.
Tat
tat pradadati iti janma karma
phala pradaha.
Iti janma karma palapradaha tam vacham pravadanti.
janma karma
phala
pradaha
tam
vacham
vacham pravadanti.
Iti anushajyate.
iti anushajyate.
It is janma karma palaprada only, not pradaha. Okay, janma karma palaprada tam vacham pravadanti. Okay. So tat pradadhati iti janma karma palaprada. If it is pradaha means sakara will come. Janma karma palapradastam it will be. So it is not. It is janma karma palaprada only. Prakarshena dadati iti prada. What? Palam. Palam dadati. What palam? Karmanaha palam. And karmanaha palam, karma palam. Janma eva karma palam. So here Bhashyakara gives the samasa. So we have to read properly this. Janma karma palapradam is Janma karma palapradam, karmanaha palam, karma palam. You have to read karmanaha palam, karma palam. Janma eva karma palam, janma karma palam. Tat referring to janma karma palam, pradadhati iti janma karma palaprada. The derivation of the word janma karma palaprada is given by the Bhashyakara. Tam vacham pravadanti. They speak those, referring to those words they speak. They speak the words which, the content of the words, what they speak is the giver of the janma karma pala. So when we read this sentence, janma karma pala pradam karmanaha palam karma palam, not like that. We have to read connecting the words properly so that it makes sense. So Bhashyakara gives the vigraha of the samasa. So karmanaha palam karma palam. What is karma pala? The result of karma is called karma pala. Shashti tatpurusha samasa. Karmanaha palam karma palam. Janma eva karma palam. This janma is a result of palam, karma palam only. Our previous karma, prarabdha karma has resulted in this janma. And whatever karma pala, new karma pala which we acquire in this janma, agami, and also sanchita is available, those combination will produce a certain combination. Those things will produce a certain combination that Bhagavan only decides. That will be the prarabdha for the next janma. A certain portion of those karma pala will be the cause for the next janma. That is a prarabdha karma. So whatever destined to be experienced, that is going to happen based on the prarabdha already started. So this janma, the birth, it is karma palam, prarabdha karma palam. So janma itself is karma palam. Janma eva karma palam, janma karma palam, karmadarya samasa. The result of action, karma pala, which is in the form of this janma karma palam. tat prakarshena dadati. Tat pradadati iti. That which gives. Prakarshena. Well, very well it gives. Janma karma palaprada. What it gives? Karma. Therefore, Janma karma palaprada vacham. So the speech which gives the result of karma, the future, the result of karma in the form of future janma, the births. Tam vacham pravadanti. Tam vacham pravadanti. Vacham pravadanti, it is in the previous shloka. That has to be connected. Iti anushajyate. Anushajyate. You have to connect. So in the shloka is connected to the two words of the previous shloka. Vacham pravadanti. Pushpitam vacham pravadanti. Janma karma palapradam vacham pravadanti. Okay. So anushajyate. Anushajyate means to be connected. So these people, they talk words which lead to the result of karma. The result of karma which is in the form of janma. In the form of janma. So janma maranam cannot go. It will. If janma is there, then maranam and all other things will come. They talk about better janma, but a better janma, when you say, even if you take better janma in this world itself, but better janma may be the janma in the house of the prosperous, materially prosperous people. But jara will be there, dukkam will be there, mrityu will be there, all those things will be there. They're unavoidable. When janma is there, connected with janma, whatever problems are there, that also will be there. So that they don't talk about. But they talk about only about taking janma, better janma in the next birth. So janma karma pala pradam, what it gives, karma gives. Therefore, they pravadanti, vacham pravadanti. So those, they speak the words which give, they speak those words which gives the result of karma in the form of the next janma, better janma, future janma, janma karma palapradam. Janma is what is going to be gained. Therefore, future janma, janma karma palapradam, vakyani, vacham, pravadanti. Then continuing, kriya vishesha bahulam.
Kriya Vishesha Bahulam.
Kriyanam visheshaha, kriya visheshaha.
Kriyanam visheshaha,
Visheshaha.
kriya
Kriya
visheshaha,
Visheshaha.
Te bahulaha,
te bahulaha,
yasyam vachi tam,
yasyam vachi
tam,
swarga pashu putradyartha, yaya vacha bahulyena prakashyante.
Swarga pashu putra
Putra
dhyartha yaya
Yaya
vacha
Vacha
bahulyena
Bahulyena
prakashyante.
Prakasyante.
Swarga pashu putradyartha is one word. Swarga pashu putradyartha, yaya vacha bahulyena prakashante. So kriya vishesha bahulam. Kriyanam visheshaha, kriya visheshaha, shashti, tatpurusha samasa. Varieties of action. Kriya vishesha means various actions. Various actions, and there are many. Bahulaha, the actions, the varieties of action, different types of action, and there are many also. Bahulaha. Yasyam vachi tam. Yasyam vachi. Vachi is a speech. So they talk about the variety of rituals, kriya visheshaha, the speech, that speech, yasyam vachi means in the speech in which, the speech of them, the speech in which the This Kriya Vishesha Bahula, the Kriya Vishesha are many, they are plenty. It means they talk about variety of rituals. Variety of rituals for gaining variety of things. Like Swarga, Pashu, Putradi, Artaha. Artaha is the thing, the goal. What is to be gained? Artha. The goal. The goal which is in the form of Swarga, that is Swarga Loka. Pashu. Pashu stands for the wealth, animals and all wealth. Putra, son, family, progeny. Putradi, Artaha, that is the goal. That is the goal for the Kriya Vishesha Bahulaha. So Kriya Visheshaha Yaya Vacha, by those words, the varieties of the karma which are meant for gaining varieties of things like Swarga, Pashu, Putra, etc. Yaya Vacha Bhagulyena Yaya Vacha Bhagulyena Prakashyante. It is Prakashyante, not Prakashyante, Prakashyante. Yaya Vacha, therefore, Yaya Vacha Bhagulyena Prakashyante. By those words, what they speak, by them they are revealed. They are revealed. Yaya Vacha Bahulyena Kriya Vishesha Bahulam Prakashyante. Kriya Vishesha Bahulam. And therefore the result, Swarga Pashu Putradi Artaha Prakashyante. In their words, by their words, Prakashyante, they are revealed. They are revealed in their words. All the limited ends are revealed in their words. Then the next line. Bhogaishvarya gatim prati.
Bhogaishvarya gatim prati.
Bhogaischa aishvaryam cha bhogaishvaryam.
Bhogaischa aishvaryam cha bhogaishvaryam.
Tayoho gatihi praptihi.
Tayoho gatihi praptihi.
Bhogaishvarya gatihi.
Bhogaishvarya gatihi.
Tam prati. Sadhana bhutaha ye.
Sadhana bhutaha ye.
Kriya Visheshaha.
Kriya Visheshaha.
Kriya Visheshaha. Then it is Tad Bahulam, it is missing. Tad Bahulam.
Bagulam.
Tam Vacham. Pravadantaha Modaha. Samsare Parivartante ityartaha.
Samsare parivartante iti ityartaha.
Yes. So Bhogeshwaryam Gati Prati. Bhogascha Aishwaryam cha Bhogeshwaryam. Dvandva samasa. Bhogascha Aishwaryam cha Bhogeshwaryam. Tayoho Gatihi. Shashti Tatpurusha samasa. So Dvandva Garbha Shashti Tatpurusha samasa. Bhogeshwarya Yogo Gatihi. Bhogeshwarya Gatihi. Bhogascha Aishwaryam cha Bhogeshwaryam. Tayoho Bhogeshwaryoho Gatihi Praptihi. Gatihi means the destination. Praptihi, the goal, the attainment. The attainment of Bhoga and Aishwarya. Tam Prati, with regard to that. Bhogeshwarya Gatim Prati. Sadhana Bhutaha. Sadhana Bhutaha means which is in the form of sadhanam. A sadhanam for gaining the Bhoga and Aishwarya. Ye Kriya Vishesha Bahulaha. Ye Kriya Visheshaha. Kriya Visheshaha, those special, those many special, as well as in the karma, varieties of karmas, which are the means for the gaining of Bhoga and Aishwarya. So Kriya Visheshaha means the varieties of karma, which are the means for gaining the Bhoga and Aishwarya. So Sadhana Bhutaha Kriya Visheshaha. Sadhana Bhutaha for what? for gaining Bhoga and Aishwarya. For the attainment of Bhoga and Aishwarya, the sadhana bhutaha kriya visheshaha bagulaha, tad bagulaha. There are many. Tam vacham, that words, those words they speak. Prakarshena pravadanti, pravadantaha is shatranta. Pravadantaha, te, pravadantau, pravadantaha. So those words they speak, who speak? This mudaha, this avipaschitaha, mudaha, this deluded people, karmis, samsare parivartante, paritaha vartante, they continue to be in samsara, they continue to be in this samsara chakra, because their words, the people who speak the words of the gaining of Bhoga and Aishwarya, for which the karma, the varieties of karmas are there. Kriya Visheshaha Sadhana Bhuta. The varieties of karma are the means for the gaining of this Bhoga and Aishwarya. These are the content of their words. These are the only content of their words. Whose words? The Mudaha. So, therefore, they samsare parivartante. They continue to be in samsara. So, kriya visheshaha sadhana bhutaha bhaveshwaryam gatim prati tam vacham pravadantaha. Those words they speak. Those words, the modas who speak, they continue to remain in samsara. So, they continue to be in samsara. It means they will never come to moksha. They will never come to moksha. Moksha is not there in their dictionary. Now, they speak nice words, flowery words. What happens because of that? That is said in the next shloka. We will read the shloka. Bhogaishvarya prasaktanam
Bhogaishvarya prasaktanam
taya pahrita chetasam vyavasayatmika buddhihi samadho na vidhiyate. So from the previous shloka we have to take that vacham, the words yam vacham, yam pushpitam vacham pravadanti te kamatmanaha swargaparaha na anyat asti iti vadinaha, that we have to take. By that words, by the flowery words, taya refers to those watch words. Taya apahruta chetasam. Chetas means buddhi. Apahruta means taken away. Those whose buddhi are taken away by those words, flowery words, and those who are committed to Bhoga Aishwarya, Prasaktanam, they are attached, connected to this enjoyment of Bhoga and Aishwarya, Prasaktanam, Tesham. What happened to them? What will happen to them? Vyavasayatmika buddhihi samadho na vidiyate. So, Vyavasayatmika buddhi, that buddhi, the understanding, Nischayatmika buddhi, the understanding, the firm understanding, clear understanding, the clarity, samadho na vidiyate, it will not take place. It doesn't take place in their mind. Samadhi means here mind. Atmani na vidiyate, it will not take place. It doesn't take place in the mind of the people which are attracted by the flowery words of those people, and those who are committed, those who are attracted to Bhoga and Aishwarya, those who are attracted by the words, the flowery words, in their buddhi, samadho, their vyavasayatmika buddhi samadho na vidyate. In their mind, this vyavasayatmika buddhi doesn't take place. because their mind is attracted by those words. That is the meaning of this shloka. We will see the Bhashyam, the shloka further in the next class. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.
धन्यवाद जी.
धन्यवाद.
धन्यवाद गुरुजी.
धन्यवाद जी.
धन्यवाद जी.